Oh, hey. So I thought I would just update quickly and talk a little bit about the case that I mentioned yesterday that I'm going to be involved in. It's really, really cool. I'm working with a lawyer. Her name's Barbara Finley. People from Vancouver probably know that name. She's a fucking rock star of a social justice type lawyer. So I'm really stoked to be working with her. Basically, what we're trying to accomplish is, well, this has never been done before anywhere in the world, and it looks like our chances are not too bad. What we're trying to do is make it so that British Columbians can have birth certificates issued without a gender marker on them. So instead of this whole like drama over having the wrong marker on your birth certificate, there just won't be anything. Which I'm really stoked on. Like I said the other day, I'm not super stoked on the ability to just change my gender marker. I mean, it's awesome that we can do that in BC, but it doesn't really feel like the right option for everybody, myself included. So this would be super cool to have. So basically, what we've done is apparently there's 8 complainants now, including me, and I haven't met anybody else yet, but I hope I'm going to soon. So what we did was we all applied for birth certificates without gender markers on them, knowing full fucking well we weren't going to get them, and of course we didn't. And so now we've filed a human rights complaint saying that, we need that, basically. And so the next step from here is an early settlement meeting, which could be the end of it. That would be awesome. Could be not, in which case it would go to a tribunal and it could all be long and drawn out. It's really exciting to be a part of something historic like this. It's awesome. And so how it would work would be, you would still have your assigned gender recorded at birth on like the birth registry thing, but it wouldn't go onto the birth certificate. And then after that, whenever anybody needed your gender for a different piece of ID, like your license or a passport or whatever, they would have to ask you what your gender is instead of just having the birth certificate sent to them. Which I'm not entirely sure if that means they would have to just take you at your word for it and you can tell them whatever you want kind of deal, or I'm not sure. Yeah, so that would be super cool, and it is really a first step in getting gender markers off of all that stuff. I mean, it's not that yet, but it does sort of set a precedent for it. So, yeah, if you were curious, that's the thing that I'm involved in, and I'm super stoked, and I will update about it more as things unfold.